Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today I'm drawing a super cute sunflower, so grab your paper and let's get started. Glittyartenglish! First, I draw a big circle right in the center. Next, I draw the petals all around the circle, kind of like a sunburst. Did you know? Sunflowers follow the sun as it moves across the sky. This is called heliotropism. Young sunflowers actually turn their heads to face the sunlight throughout the day. Now, I draw two cute eyes inside the circle and a happy little mouth to make it look friendly. I draw the stem coming down from the bottom of the flower, and then I add two leaves, one on each side of the stem. Now it's time to color. I start by coloring the eyelids with glitter black. Then, I color the outer part of the eyes with glitter gray to give them a shiny look. Next, I color the face using a glittery orange, which makes it look super cheerful. Now I move on to the petals and color them in with glitter yellow. Here's another cool sunflower fact. Sunflowers can grow really tall, sometimes over 10 feet. And their petals always look like rays of sunshine, which is why they're named after the sun. I color the stem with glitter brown to give it a nice, natural feel. And finally, I color the leaves using glitter green. And that's it! A sparkly, smiling sunflower, all done. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.